Okay, people. Okay, people. I would like this person in the history of the past, and because I believe that people like him should never die. If he died, this legacy must live on. Martin was a reverend, an activist, a fighter, a warrior, a leader, a defender of the rights of the Africans American. He was on one who dedicated his entire life to claiming the right of blacks. He also led march in favor of people of color so that they could vote freely like any citizen and that they could have decent work, not the worst jobs, and the most poorly paid just for being color. That time was horrible back in the 60s and 70s. There was a lot of racial discrimination because at the time the buses were divided into a line. White sat in the front and blacks had to sit in the black rear. His effort was focused on the fight for racial equality and the elimination of racial discrimination. I always felt admiration this person because he taught us that victory over evil and injustice is possible. My girlfriend is all colors and I can style not notice the traits for people of color still exist. Among people in the past, people of color had to give up their seats to a white person, whether in a line, in a waiting room, on a train, etc. And also in some business such as restaurants, white people of color were not allowed to enter if some were allowed. He was thrown the black so that they were not seen by whites. Previously, there was discrimination and outrage. It was humiliating if they were people, not animals. This April 4th commemorate the 50th anniversary of his death. His voice faded, but prevails in the voice the students who still love. Okay, people, and thank you very much for seeing this video. And again, thank you and bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.